where they wander. We are Kat and Kev, and we travel full-time around the United States in our Grand Design Imagine.
This morning, we are going to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
And we are going to share our top tips for getting the most out of your day.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button or scan the QR code above.
Let's talk about parking. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is in downtown Cleveland, right next to the football stadium, and there is no parking at the location itself. However, there is plenty of parking in the area. We have a large truck, so we chose to park at the North Coast Harbor parking for just $17 a day.
Here we are at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet, get on out the door, take it to the street.
Our second tip is to plan ahead. This is a hugely popular location, and we strongly suggest buying your tickets online prior to arriving. If you can arrive for the first entry at 10 a.m., do so, as the museum fills to capacity on most days.
Our third tip is to pick your favorites. If you don't have all day to spend in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, research on the web the exact exhibits that you would like to see. For us, it was the Beatles' Get Back to Let It Be, which sadly closes at the end of March, but we're certain that they will fill it with other great exhibits. That way, you'll get to see exactly what you want in the time you have available. The history of rock is amazing, beginning with the earliest stars to the most recent, which we feature at the end of the video. Don't miss how you actually get inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. It might surprise you.
Made by Gibson, but this was a special one. They made a 6-string and a 6-string bass. So it's a bass guitar and electric guitar together.
There's also sections of the museum that focus on the social impact that rock and roll had in its early days. My personal favourite, of course, were all of the British bands and artists that were featured here in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So what is the difference between being featured in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and actually being an inductee? Well, here it is. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame only has one official criteria for induction. The artist or group must have made their first recording a minimum of 25 years ago. So while you will see younger artists like Taylor Swift, Billie Eilish, and Lady Gaga in the Hall of Fame, they are featured artists and not inductees. If you enjoy our content, please consider financially supporting us as we support small businesses throughout the United States. Scan the QR code above or click the link in the description.
Tip 4, join the band. We had a blast in the garage, and while Kat didn't play any instruments, I enjoyed the guitars, but sadly, I didn't get to play the drums. Speakers are directly above each practice station to ensure you only hear yourself, and the drum kits are in individual soundproof booths. We both got to sing and play with the garage band, and it was a blast. Anyone and everyone can do it, so don't be shy. Step up and play at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
Our final tip for your visit to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame is to vote. Yes, you can vote for the nominees to that year's induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. The fan vote goes towards helping your nominees get inducted. How cool is that? And if you're lucky, you may even get a wave from Rachel Steele from SiriusXM while she does her show from here.
We hope you enjoyed these tips for visiting the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Join us next week in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan for a hike to Lake Superior. Until then, we'll see you on the trail.